So this is the 2020 Kia Sedona, and we're going to change the cabin filter. And it's in the lower glove box. You twist these, pull them out. Yep. Then you have to pull this slide off here. And then there's the filter here. So to get the cover off, you have to squeeze these two here, and then you pull it over, and then it pops out on that side. Oh, mine's quite dirty. Then you just pull the filter out. That's about 20,000 kilometers on this one. And this one's a Fram CF11819. And as you can see here, the airflow goes down. That's how the old one came out, and that's how we're going to put this one in, and it just slides into the slot. I guess I need to do it more of an angle. There we go. And then you just push it straight in, and it clicks, and that's in. And you put the glove box back together.